Welcome. You're listening to the University of Akron Marketing Podcast, sponsored by S3 Technologies.
Hello everyone, we are here with Rachel and welcome back to another channel of Blueprint. Hello Rachel.
Hi.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Rachel and I'm here to talk about my social media platform, which is called Get Cooking. And basically it's just a spot for people to share like kitchen tips, tricks, recipes, stuff like that. The setup was going to be similar to Pinterest, how when you open it up, there's the feed. And then at the bottom, there's some tabs. So on this app, there's going to be the feed tab, the communications tab, sponsored, and reels. And on the communications tab, that's a spot just for, like it says, to communicate private messages, public messages. And then the sponsored is specifically for marketers. They can post their products there. And then the reels is, as we've been learning in our class, reels are really important. People rather watch a 60-second reel than a full hour-long episode of somebody cooking. So to show off like recipes or how you organize your pantry, anything like that. So that's kind of how the setup is.
Oh, that's interesting. So how's the app's algorithm works?
Yeah, so it's going to be based off your preferences. So when you download the app, you'll be able to choose like what interests you. Are you interested in specific cuisines? Are you interested in fast, easy dinners to make? Stuff like that. And then also, what is your knowledge level? Are you a beginner cooker, moderate, or are you an expert who's here to share your knowledge on the app? And then you'll be able to upload content. And when you upload this content, you'll just attach like tags to it. And those tags will be the way to differentiate where it's going to be posted. So is it an Italian meal or something like that?
But I have a question. There's like cooking YouTube or like TikTok. What's your like strengths? What's your difference?
Yeah, so thank you for asking that because I was actually looking for an app like this when I wanted to start getting into cooking, but I couldn't find anything that checked all these boxes. Had a place for you to communicate, had reels, had you were able to customize what you wanted to see specifically. So whether it was easy to pack lunches or something like that. So it's a really a more niche category compared to other platforms like Instagram, which has like lots of other videos on there, and YouTube, stuff like that. So it's more niche, and the target audience is specifically people who cook, whether you're just getting into cooking or you've been cooking for a while. So anybody who's like kind of involved in the kitchen. And then it's also free, and it has that social aspect, which is different because on YouTube there's not really the spot for you to post and have somebody comment right away like, oh, what's a substitute for butter or something, and have an immediate answer.
Oh, I see. Last question. How it is useful for marketing?
Yeah, so especially with that sponsor tab is where marketers are really going to want to focus, and they're going to want to focus on people, especially the people who are brand new to cooking and they downloaded this app because they wanted recommendations. So it's a great place to post stuff like that. And also there is the opportunity for user-generated content, which we talk a lot about in our social media marketing class about how important that is. And users can just go and post like, oh, I just got the new, say, KitchenAid attachment for pasta, and I absolutely love it. And then people see that and they want to go and buy that attachment just because of that earned media through user-generated content. So it's really just hopefully a place that people who love cooking can all just kind of be there and share their ideas and communicate together.
I think this is a great idea. I love cooking myself and I love baking. I hope there's baking category.
Yeah, any type, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing your great idea. This was Sarah and Rachel. Thank you.
Thank you.